I'm sure you've heard the news. Helium makes you sound like a cartoon character, but why? Helium is a super light gas, much lighter than the oxygen and nitrogen we usually breathe. When you inhale helium, it changes the speed of sound waves traveling through your vocal cords. Normally, sound waves travel at around 343 meters per second in air. In helium, they zip through at about 965 meters per second. This faster speed makes your voice's pitch go up, turning you into a squeaky sensation. So next time you're at a party with helium balloons, impress your friends with some cool science facts. Just remember, only a little bit for fun. Too much helium can be dangerous. Stay safe, stay curious, and keep sounding awesome. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun science tidbits. See you next time.